Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Honda Pilot. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 5 quarts, and a new oil filter. Park your vehicle on a level surface and let the engine cool down completely for safety. Next, you'll need to drain the old engine oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a large bolt, underneath your Honda Pilot's engine. Position your drain pan directly below the plug. Carefully remove the drain plug with your wrench, letting all the old oil flow into the pan. Once the oil stream becomes a slow drip, reinsert the drain plug and tighten it firmly. Now it's time to replace the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter. Be prepared for a small amount of residual oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, add the new engine oil. Locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine and carefully pour in the fresh oil, typically around 5 quarts. Use a funnel to prevent spills. After adding, check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring it's between the minimum and maximum marks. Start the engine for a minute, then turn it off, wait, and recheck the oil level and for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.